The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's boldest leap in recent memory. Fresh leaks, including case images shared by credible leaker Majin Buu on X, hint at a complete visual overhaul, most notably an enormous camera housing that spans the entire width of the device. This dramatic shift departs from the compact, corner-placed layout of the iPhone 16 Pro models, aligning closely with earlier renderings. Meanwhile, rumors point to the entire iPhone 17 lineup, Standard, Air, Pro, and Pro Max, being unveiled in September, with Apple also preparing a remarkably thin variant to challenge Samsung's anticipated Galaxy S25 Edge. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will boast an upgraded triple-camera system with 48-megapixel sensors, 8K video capabilities, variable aperture, and even dual video recording. The front-facing camera across all models is said to jump to 24 megapixels, double the resolution of its predecessor. The Pro Max is also expected to feature a sleeker aluminum and glass rear with a rectangular camera module and color-matched camera housing for a cleaner, more polished look. Interestingly, Apple is ditching the Plus model due to underwhelming sales and introducing the brand-new iPhone 17 Air, a device that might just become the thinnest iPhone ever at just 5.5 millimeters. Leaked case mock-ups confirm how slim the iPhone 17 Air remains even with a cover, which still doesn't exceed the thickness of a naked iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's rumored to have a 6.6-inch display, support for MagSafe, an action button, and potentially Apple's own in-house 5G modem. The base iPhone 17 will look familiar, but it will see a modest size bump to a 6.3-inch screen. Meanwhile, the Air model will feature a single 18-megapixel rear camera, while the standard iPhone 17 is expected to carry a 48-megapixel main shooter and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Color options across the lineup are expected to be vibrant and modern: ultramarine teal, black, pink, and white for standard models, and black, silver, white, and potentially a fresh sky blue for the Pro range. Performance-wise, the Pro models will be powered by Apple's A19 Pro chip, while the Standard and Air models will run on the A19, both built on the advanced 3nm processor. All devices will support up to 35 watts of wired charging, and Apple might debut Wi-Fi 7 alongside its custom Wi-Fi chip for more stable lightning-fast connectivity. Speaking of heat, Apple appears to have a solution lined up for the more powerful Pro models. According to leaker Instant Digital on Weibo, both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will feature vapor chamber cooling, a technique commonly used in high-end Android devices. This would allow the new A19 Pro chip to maintain peak performance without thermal throttling, even under sustained heavy use. The base iPhone 17 is expected to start at $899, and the Pro Max variant at $1,299, but given global economic factors and rising tariffs, the company may use these hardware upgrades as justification for potential price hikes. As for the release date, Apple is likely to unveil the new lineup between September 11th and 13th, right on schedule with its traditional mid-September launch events.